Okay, I have a brand new effect to share with you today. So for this, you need a well-shuffled deck of cards. Now we're going to be going with a multiple of 4 cards. So that would be something like 12, 16, 20, 24. Something like that would be just fine. So what I thought I would do is just go with 24. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. And we'll mix those, or you can mix them. Okay. Now, you need to openly, it's okay if the spectator watches this, openly flip over every other card. So just do down, flip, down, flip, down, flip. Okay. So do that until you go through the entire packet, whatever packet size you chose to work with. Okay, just like that. And then gather up the cards. Now we're going to deal out about half of the cards to the table, but the spectator can kind of tell you when to stop. But it's nice to get about half just so we can mix things well. One more? Okay, we'll stop there. Okay, great. And then we're going to perform a rosette shuffle, which is a totally crazy way to mix cards. Okay, very good. Now from here I'm going to perform a mange over-under to further mix the cards. So I'm going over, under, and you continue doing that until all of the cards have been moved from one hand to the other. Okay, what a mess. Now you really haven't made very many decisions here, but you're going to make the most important ones. I'm going to deal out the cards into 4 piles. Okay. And then I need you to decide, should we stack the top row on the bottom or bottom on top of the top row, or the first column on top of the second, or vice versa. Okay, it's your choice. Top row on the bottom. Okay, and how would you like these stacked? Right on left. Okay. Now a note to you as the performer, you can do the dealing out that I'm showing you right now as many times as the spectator asks for, with the random stacking that I just mentioned. Okay, so you can randomly stack the rows or the columns. You want to go with the columns this time? Second column on top of the first, that's fine, your choice. What about stacking here? Top on the bottom. Okay, so you can do 1 of those or 1,000 of those. You truly can. It won't hurt anything. And now what you're going to do is hand the spectator the packet. Okay. And bring out the empty box here, okay, because we're going to need that in a second. So what you need the spectator to do is simply deal out the cards, and now you're going to turn around as the performer. So your back is towards them. They're holding the cards and doing the rest here for just a moment, okay? So have them just deal out the cards into 2 piles, okay? Just however, left, right, normally is how people deal. And then place the box on top of either pile. It's their choice, okay? So that will be the pile I won't touch, okay? So they square up the 2 piles that they have dealt out, and then maybe they'll put it right here, maybe partly to hide that too or something, whatever reasoning they have, okay? And then at this point, you turn around as the performer with your eyes closed. Now that's important. So turn around with your eyes closed, put out your hand, spectators to put the packet in your hand. Now explain to the spectator that you're going to take these cards under the table for just a moment or two in an effort to bring these 2 packets into perfect face up, face down harmony. Okay, so that's what you're going to try to accomplish with the cards under the table and with your eyes closed. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing under the table. Okay, so I won't take them under the table, but ordinarily you would. The spectator would not see the step I'm now going to show you. So under the table, all you need to do as the performer is just take the packet, maybe take both hands under the table to heighten the illusion, but all you're going to do is you're just going to take this packet and flip it over. That's all you're going to do. Now, if you want to make some little noises or make it sound like you're doing more than that. But, you know, maybe take 5 seconds with the cards under the table. And then you bring out the cards and say, boy, if I haven't lost my touch, I think I've been able to bring the packet hiding underneath this box and the one that I've now rearranged into perfect face up, face down harmony. Okay, well, let's see if I achieve that. So you remove this and you can say, well, we're off to a good start here. Both of these are face up, so that's good. Okay, these are both face down. Very good. Oh, these are both face up. Excellent. These are face up. Those are both face down. We're doing well. About halfway. Face down. Yep, these match as well. These are both face down. Perfect. As are these. Perfect. These are face up. Whoops, I'm picking up too many cards. These are face up. And these are face up. I haven't lost my touch for pulling off the impossible. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so if you just do everything that I did, this will work perfectly. And I've shown you all of the steps. You even saw what I did, quote, under the table. And I will add some notes in the description below explaining the steps of the routine, the mathematical structure of the packets at each step, and why this is guaranteed to work every single time. So give that a try, and you will surprise anyone and everyone you show this to. And that includes the very best magicians you may know. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.